to my subscribers, my fans, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending wherever you are. So today I just want to show you this town. Goes by the name Ruiru. So here I'm in Ruiru. You can see the superhighway, Thika superhighway. So the exact place where I am is Kihunguro. Yeah, Kihunguro. I think this is the highway that connects you to Thika from Nairobi CBD. So up there is a Total petrol station. If you have not followed, subscribe to my channel. Please subscribe, like and share. There is a Pacific Modern Furnitures, then fuel station, the Pacific. So if you want furniture, you can visit also Modern Pacific Furnitures there. They have an office there. It's so dusty. It's dusty, guys. It's not. Tarara. I'm heading towards Mark Hotel. So guys, here in Kihunguro, there have been so many accidents. Accident has consumed many lives. So the government have decided to construct a footbridge for the pedestrians to cross over this highway. You see this highway? So this is the construction of the footbridge. Hope you can see it. The construction of the high bridge. For now, it's almost around 4 months. 4 months, yeah. This is the 4 months old. Ni pole pole tu, mdogo mdogo. There is Mark Hotel. Ruiru is such a nice place, by the way, huh? A very nice place, a very, very nice place. So there is a warehouse here. I don't know what it is for, but we shall see in the next video. So this is the entrance to Mark Hotel. Anataka kuniua. Nataka nikule KDF Kamawe. That's good. So guys, I'm now at Bypass. I'm heading now to Bypass, where I'm going to take I'm going to board a vehicle to my place. Yeah. They are changing the wheel. Right, bypass. So guys, the junction here is taking you to Ruai, Kamulu, na junction. This one. Acha nivuke. These are construction material sites. Recently I saw a meme that says that wenye wanashukanga kwa hii nini, kwa hii flyover wanateremkanga hapa kwa kama wild beast. Mko na mbaya. Hey guys, it's so dusty. It's too dusty. Just look up. Itabidi nimepanguza kamera. Just a reminder, guys. So Ruiru is not in Nairobi. It is in Kiambu County. So take note. Chimba. So guys, in the comment section, you can also say the place that you like me to take you to. Which place would you like me to go to and capture? Comment there. Acha nivuke tena. So this is the bypass, guys. Bypass. The Ruiru bypass. Let me cross. Guys, so this is the place that I went aboard the matatu Peleke home.